Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me, my name is Aisyah Sultania. I'm from class TBI 3. Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss something very interesting, namely about the analysis of fictional stories. But not just any story, we will discuss one of the short stories by the great Russian writer, Anton Chekhov, entitled The Bat. Why is this story important for us to learn? Because in this story, we are not only invited to enjoy a tense and surprising storyline, but also invited to reflect on the value of life, the meaning of freedom, greed, and what it means to be a wise person. Just imagine, just because of an argument, two people make a bid. One person will be locked up for 15 years, and the other bids 2 million rubles. Does the bid make sense? What are they looking for from the bid? And what can we learn from their experience? So let's start our discussion about the story The Bid. Here I will explain the short story The Bat by Anton Chekhov. This material can be used for fiction analysis, lesson in literature, or English classes at intermediate or advanced levels. Before we discuss the material, there are several learning objectives. After studying the story, students are expected to be able to understand the intrinsic elements in a short story. Analyze the theme, characters, conflict, plot, and setting of the story. Interpret the moral message of the story based on social and philosophical context. Convey personal opinion based on critical reading. Next is the story synopsis. The story The Bat begins with a debate between a wealthy banker and a young lawyer about the death penalty and life imprisonment. Because of the debate, they make a bid. The lawyer agrees to undergo 15 years of solitary confinement in order to get 2 million rubles. This story traces the mental, spiritual, and intellectual change of the lawyer over 15 years, as well as the turmoil of the banker's heart, which is increasingly morally and financially depressed. Continue after we learn the story synopsis. There are several intrinsic elements in the story. First, theme. The meaning of life, greed, and the value of freedom. This story asks, can money and freedom be compared? What does life mean if it is only lived in bondage? Second, characters and characterization. The banker, a rich, arrogant, materialistic person at first, but eventually becomes a coward and afraid of losing his wealth. The lawyer, intensely ambitious and money hungry, but becomes wise and enlightened after experiencing life in isolation. Character change is one of the main strengths in this story. Third, conflict. External debate between the banker and the lawyer about the death penalty as life imprisonment. Internal, the lawyer inner struggle in the dealing with loneliness, lodging, and the search for the meaning of life. The banker's fear of losing his money. 4. Plot. Exposition, introduction of characters, and discussion of the death penalty. Rising action, bets are made. The lawyer begins to live in isolation. Climax, the banker intends to kill the lawyer so as not to pay the bad money. And six climax, the lawyer decided to leave the bed before the time is up. Resolution. The banker survives the loss of money but feels empathy and morally defeated. 5. Setting. Time autumn, night, and 15 years into the future. Place the banker's house and contact in the garden. Atmosphere gloomy, tense, full of contemplation and mental pressure. Well, after we have discussed the material, I will conclude from the material, namely conclusion. The story The Bet is not only about betting money, but about betting on life values. In a world full of ambition, Chekhov wanted to show that inner enlightenment is far more valuable than material wealth. We are all gambling in this life. What will we win in the end? If you want me to continue with the second fictional story material, please send the letter or text. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.